At dawn, on August 2, 216 BC, near Cannae, Rome walked into a trap. The field was wide, flat, and already hot. On one side stood the largest Roman army ever sent against Hannibal. Tens of thousands of men, heavy infantry, shields locked, confidence hardened by numbers. Across from them stood Hannibal's smaller army. They were tired, far from home, surrounded by enemies in a hostile land. But Hannibal did not need more men. He needed Rome to believe that more men were enough. For 2 years he had humiliated Rome on Italian soil. Now Rome wanted one final answer, one crushing battle, one mass of steel that would end the nightmare. The Romans formed deep, dense, powerful. Their plan was simple: break the center, drive forward, smash through Hannibal's line with sheer weight. And at first it seemed to work. The Roman infantry advanced. Step by step the ground began to shake, dust rose around their legs, armor pressed against armor. Men breathed through heat and fear. Ahead of them, Hannibal's center began to bend. His line gave ground, slowly, carefully, not breaking, bending. To the Romans it looked like victory. They pushed harder. The deeper they drove, the tighter they packed together. The men in front could barely swing. The men behind kept pressing forward. There was no space, no air, no escape. And that was the moment Hannibal had been waiting for. His weak center had not collapsed. It had swallowed them. On both sides, his stronger troops moved inward, like doors closing. The Roman army, built to crush, was now compressed into a living prison. Then came the cavalry. Hannibal's horsemen had defeated the Roman cavalry on the wings. Now they returned behind the Roman infantry. The trap was complete. Front, left, right, rear. Every direction became death. The Romans were no longer an army. They were a crowd trapped inside their own formation. Men could not run. They could not turn. Many could not even raise their weapons. The battle became hours of panic in a shrinking circle. The sound was not glorious.
By the time the killing ended, Rome had suffered one of the worst defeats in its history. But Cannae was more than a massacre. It was the moment a smaller army destroyed a larger one by understanding something terrifyingly simple. Strength means nothing if it can be guided. Numbers mean nothing if they can be trapped. And on that field near Cannae, Hannibal did not just defeat Rome. He made Rome's greatest army destroy itself. Remember to like and subscribe for more quick history.